What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out this video. So today I want to go over a new product that I recently fell in love with. This is the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow. This is a brow gel. You can find this in drugstores. I think it's less than $10. Again, this is a tinted brow gel. I picked up the shade medium. You guys can see that I have very sparse eyebrows and I have a lot of bald areas. I don't have one of those full brows and I don't have one of those extremely thin brows. I'm kind of in the middle. The concept of having a feathery brow has been very popular, but because of the sparseness of hairs in my particular brows, I was never able to accomplish that look until I tried this. I was just so shocked at the result. I'm not sure if you guys recently checked out my brow tutorial video. If you missed that, please click up here. I explained when I use a tinted brow gel, it's usually to accomplish a quick, natural looking makeup look. But I just want to close up and show you guys. This product can give you that nice hair-like looking feathered brow with almost no effort. I am just going to use this and a Q-tip to clean up. That is it. We are up close and personal. The brush looks like this, and you can see it's a very small brush tip. I am going to take this product, brush it up just like that. You already see how it gives that hair-like texture there. I'm just gonna keep brushing it in and I'm gonna bring it down. I'm just following my natural brow line here. I'm gonna go over it one more time, but you guys can already see the difference. I'm gonna zoom out to show you guys the difference so far. We are keeping it natural in this video. I am not looking to get a defined high arch snatch brow. My goal is to just add a little bit of color so it looks a little bit more full, but nothing too perfect. I want it to look natural and soft, but just a little fuller. This brow has absolutely nothing on it. This brow has the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow Gel. You can see the difference not only in the pigment but also in the coverage. It did a nice job to cover my sparse area there on my arch, and I really didn't have to apply too much product. You guys saw I did not have to really rub it in there. I'm just combing it through and it gives you a nice dispense of product. The shade range for me is perfect. I'm just going to do a quick cleanup. I'm not even going to zoom in for this. This is nothing special. I'm just taking it on the top, bringing it down. See that build up there? And I'm taking it on the bottom, cleaning it up and bringing it down. I just wanted to show you how fast you can use this product, especially if you're in a rush. You have things to do, you don't have the time, but your brows are important. You have to try this. This is, guys, so I filled in both brows here and I just wanted to show you guys the results. It's really giving you that hair-like look. I also used this in one of my recent videos called Au Natural with the Easy Brow, and I'm gonna put a card up here for you guys. But I fell in love with this product so much that I felt it was owed its own video and its own tutorial. I hope that you try this out. If you do, let me know how you feel about it. Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Is it giving you that feathery brow look, or am I just here, you know, talking out of my butt here? Because I honestly feel like it did that for me, and my brows are very sparse, so I'm unable to accomplish that. But when I tried this, I was like, this is amazing. I thank you for checking this quick video out. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button below. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can be notified of my future videos. Don't forget to click here so you can check out some of my past videos. But for right now, I'll see you guys later. Bye.